Okay, here's the new toy today. I wasn't thinking about doing a video until I got started on this. This is a Laguna 37-inch wide belt sander, just for metal. I ordered it in August and just now getting it. Here's the controls, amp gauge. It's also one phase 220. That tightens the belt, that turns the feet on, this raises the table up and down. And what I do to set this, I gotta get me a smaller piece. This is 16 gauge. Whatever I'm gonna use, I gotta stick it in here and raise this up till it stops. Now it's set. So now I got it set. I got a piece over here. I done run it through on the draw side 2 times, and it took all the dross off. There was a little place right here. I think these little flexible pieces are bending just a little bit. 16 gauge. I just took the little floppy disk, just hit it instead of running it through again. It took most all of the scale off of it. I ran it through one time on this side, and that's when I thought, you know, I ought to do a video on this. So I'm going to run it back through. How this thing works. There's a belt in here. This loosens the belt so you can pull it off. It does have air going out all the time. There's a switch on the other side that blows air through, and I'm just kind of watching for the belt. When that air gets a break so that it stops. But yeah, this tightens the belt up. You're ready to go. They're 37 by 60 inch belts. I start it here. And I turn my table on. Second time through. I'm going to run it through one more time. Go the other way this time. Yeah. This is 80 grit. I'm going to try it one more time here. That's more like it. Yep. I can turn this off, a little noisy. Turn my air off here too. Don't have a brush put on that, but yeah, that does a good job. Took all that black scale off of it. This is only 80 grit paper. I got 100 grit also. I just haven't put on yet. I turned my air off too soon. But I haven't tried the 100 grit yet. I think it'd even be better. But I'm really happy the way it looks. It turned out really good. Just getting used to it, but it's going to be a nice machine. So we'll do another video on it. I'll get more coordinated on everything, how to turn things off right and on. But just wanted to show you. See ya.